Good job. Some black beans. I know you just want to tip over that bowl. Black beans and cottage cheese. Do you want to try the spoon? Here, let's try the spoon. You want to try the spoon? Okay. Here you go. Good job. Put it in your mouth, Ian. Ian. Can you eat? Eat it. Good job. Wow. Very good. Okay, here, I'll scoop it for you. See, watch. Scoop. Put it in your mouth. Yeah. Good job. Oh, very good. Mmm.